In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a dashboard in Retool. Now, of course, you have two ways of doing this. The first one is you could go to the Create tab over here, click on App, and then you could just start from scratch by creating your own dashboard in here by dragging and dropping different components, stuff like that, which is going to take a long time. But of course, you can make it the way you wanna if you choose this path. However, if you want a quicker path and a much easier one, you could go back to Home, and then on here, you could just use AI, okay? So here it says, what app are you building today? And here you want to just describe off the top of your head what your dashboard should look like, okay? So just describe it. For example, here you have a few options. This one is a sales dashboard. I'm going to click that, and it's going to just basically type in, create a sales analytics dashboard with stuff like that, okay? So it's going to type that in, just type in however you want it to look like, click on this button over here to initiate it, and it's going to start creating the dashboard for you. Here I have a draft already because I told it to actually create this exact same thing. So if I click on it to actually view it, you'll be able to see over here that this is going to be my sales analytics dashboard. Okay, so this is what it actually built. Okay, so it's quite nice. As you can see, you could also click edit app and you could edit it inside their editor over here. You could use AI, you could use these components over here. You could do whatever you want to do with it and customize it the way you want it to be. So that's how to create a dashboard. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.